Hey guys, it's over 3 AM right now guys, and I'm gonna summon my dead dog guys. I'm Canadian guys, I think I'm American guys.
What are you talking about? I'm from over the pond right now, and your dog's still alive, mate. What are you fucking doing here, super clock chaser?
Alright guys, so, where you bitch guy? He's my dog guys, he's not dead, Cloud please.